guys, it's me Dan here, and today I'm with Daddy, and also all the you don't know what's behind me. It's a what? A blue what's this?
Blue Angels.
Blue Angels. Okay. Yeah, you'll see in a minute. I don't know when's he coming. Oh yeah, you're looking at the sun. Sorry guys, didn't mean use it. Oh, what, really? Oh, wow, look at that, it just pooped out smoke. Did you saw that? Beyond smoke again. It's me Dan here, and today, what is today?
Today we're going parasailing.
Yeah, so I can't record everything because maybe the iPad might get wet on accident, and so I'll see you later. Here's a narration.